Dear students, the following difficult looking question is a 2 plus 2 mark question from linked data topic of analysis of indeterminate structure, where a fixed beam is given and some statement is made that is universally known that such problems they are best solved by conjugate beam method, but this question can be solved without using any of the method if your logics are sharp enough. So in question number 52, it is given that there is a non-prismatic section that is looking like, because alpha EI in one portion and EI in another portion. But question 52 puts the value of alpha as 1, making the section as prismatic, because entire properties now will be EI for cross section. So for question number 52, it is asked that what is the value of fixed end moments for load intensity of 4 kilonewton per meter and span of beam is given as 4 meter. So this is the case that can be solved by conjugate beam method just by equating the MF diagram, in fact MF by EI diagram, to bending moment diagram of simply supported beam that is subjected to same type of loading. So it will be WL square by 8. So if we equate the area of these load, we will be getting the value of MF. So this is one point. Not, in fact, EI will not be there, only MF will be equated to WL square by 8. MF means area of this MF diagram. Since both ends will be having same value of fixed end moments, so it will be a rectangular in shape, whereas bending moment diagram for a uniformly distributed load on simply supported beam is parabolic in shape. So equating these two, we get value of moment as WL square by 12, which comes out as 5.33 kilonewton per meter. And as you know that if a uniformly distributed load is acting on a fixed beam, then moments generated at the ends are minus WL square by 8 if this minus stands for hogging moments. So it comes out as magnitude wise 5.33 kilonewton meter. So correct choice for this question is option C.